Hello everyone. This is a step-by-step guide on how to open the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro mobile phone. First, need proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Next, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To separate the back cover, gently heat the edges until the adhesive softens. We are using a heating pad for this process. Place the back cover side on the heating pad. Select the mobile phone heating option and leave it until the process is complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to loosen the adhesive. Once heating is complete, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the frame and the back cover. To make the process easier, use the suction cup near the bottom edge of the cover. Next, insert a plastic card pry tool or similar tool to gently cut through the adhesive around the edges. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, gently separate the back cover from the phone's body. Next, undo 17 screws holding the mid-frame. Once the unscrewing is done, use a plastic card pry tool to create an opening between the housing and the mid-frame. The ideal place to insert the card pry tool is near the charging port or SIM tray. Carefully insert the tool along the edges and gently slide it around to release the plastic clip securing the mid-frame. While pulling out the frame, be careful. The fingerprint flex is attached to the mid-frame from the left-hand side. Disconnect the flex cable to release the mid-frame from the body. Next, disconnect the two battery connector plugs from the logic board.